on, kids, let's learn our ABC. Sing with me. 1, 2, 3, let's go. A is for apple, A, apple. B is for ball, B, ball. C is for cat, C, cat. D is for dog, D, dog. E is for elephant, E, elephant. F is for fish, F, fish. G is for goat, G, goat. H is for hen, hen. O, B, C, D, E, F, G. Learning letters is fun for me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Let us sing it all again. I is for ice cream, I, ice cream. J is for jeep, J, jeep. K is for kite, K, kite. L is for lion, L, lion. M is for mango, M, mango. N is for nest, N, nest. O is for orange, O, orange. P is for parrot, P, parrot. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. I can sing and so can you. V, W, X, Y, and Z. Keep these letters in your head. Q is for queen, Q, queen. R is for rabbit, R, rabbit. S is for sun, S, sun. T is for tiger, T, tiger. U is for umbrella, U, umbrella. V is for van, V, van. W is for watch, W, watch. X is for x-ray, X-ray. Y is for yellow, Y, yellow. Z is for zebra, Z, zebra. Now we know our ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?